To optimize the Rocket Money Android app, start by understanding its purpose and features. Rocket Money is a personal finance management app that helps users track their expenses, create budgets, and set financial goals. Optimizing the app involves customizing its settings and utilizing its tools to achieve maximum financial insight and control. First, download and install the Rocket Money app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. The app will prompt you to link your bank accounts and credit cards to start tracking your finances. Next, categorize your transactions by assigning them to specific categories such as food, transportation, or entertainment. This helps in understanding where your money is going and makes it easier to create a budget. You can also add manual transactions for cash purchases or other expenses not linked to your accounts. To set a budget, navigate to the budgeting section and allocate funds to each category based on your financial goals and priorities. The app will track your spending and alert you when you are close to exceeding your budget limits. Another key feature of the Rocket Money app is its ability to track bills and subscriptions. Add your recurring bills and subscriptions to the app and set reminders for payment due dates. This helps in avoiding late payment fees and penalties. To further optimize the app, utilize its investment tracking feature. Link your investment accounts to monitor your portfolio and receive alerts on market fluctuations. You can also set financial goals such as saving for a specific purpose or paying off debt. In addition to these features, the Rocket Money app provides personalized financial recommendations based on your spending habits and financial goals. Review these recommendations regularly to identify areas for improvement and adjust your financial strategy accordingly. Finally, ensure that your app is updated to the latest version to access new features and improvements. Regularly review your account settings and transaction data to maintain accuracy and security. By following these steps and utilizing the features of the Rocket Money Android app, you can optimize your financial management and achieve greater control over your money. Remember to regularly review and adjust your budget, track your investments, and stay on top of your bills and subscriptions to make the most out of the app.